In terms of ROBO Global, Raf's actually a co-founder of ROBO Global. He's a key member of our strategic advisory board. We actually established our company ROBO Global in 2013 as a research, advisory and index company focused on disruptive innovation, investment opportunities, really where we can capture long-term growth opportunities that benefit not just investors, but society as well. And obviously that's the focus of today's discussion. Raf, again, welcome, and it'd be great if you can just walk us through your Kiva and Verity journey, share some of your thoughts about environmental and societal benefits within warehouses and the retail supply chain.
Sure. There's a lot obviously to talk about. When we started Kiva back in 2003, this was something that no one was really talking about. It was just not on the radar really of most investors, most companies. There's a natural combination between robotics and automation and being responsible in terms of the environment, and that is just simply because of the reduction of waste, doing things much more efficiently. But what's also amazing is that a system like this can have a huge impact in CO2 emissions, and mainly because of the reduction in waste. You go from 98% accuracy to 100% accuracy. That impact of that 2% is tremendous in terms of CO2 savings. So the environmental impact of deploying this autonomous technology is not just about doing it more effectively, doing it cost cutting. It's also the impact that you get when you can do it much more accurately, you can do it much more often, much more efficiently, and all the savings that you get from that.
I think what's really important to highlight is as you look across our three strategies, so Robo, Think and H-Tech, they really tend to lean very naturally towards companies making active efforts to deliver positive ESG outcomes, really because automation, technology, it's largely about increasing efficiency, productivity. It's about lowering the environmental impact, really freeing up time for us as humans to focus on things that we're frankly better at doing. If we just look more broadly at some of the sort of the big macro challenges facing society, and we talk about a lot of these in our discussions with investors, but things like feeding the world's population, improving healthcare systems, caring for the elderly. Just how important is the role of disruptive tech and innovation in terms of addressing big social challenges like that?
Technology is a tool, right? At the end of the day, that's what it is. It's a wonderful tool that is unique to our species. Tools can be used for good, tools can be used for bad. And the more powerful the tool, the more potential it has for good and for bad. The potential use for good is incredible. In the robotics world, we always talk about the 3Ds of robotics, and that is things that are dull, dirty, or dangerous. This is what robotics and automation are great for, is to get rid of dull tasks, and that's a service to people. What a great time to be an investor, right? You can deploy capital to increase that to get great returns, and you can be doing the right thing. This is wonderful.